Jake Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City. I'm going to talk to you today about this Catalina 283 RKS LE and some of the features that really set it apart from other floor plans of a similar length. And what we're looking at here is a 28-foot floor plan here, which means probably about 31, 32 feet total when you add the tongue and the bumper. So you start off right off the bat with a 2 7-gallon liquid propane tanks, electric tongue jack with a big light on it. Makes it really easy to take it in, on and off the ball. Really removes all the cranking and kind of the handwork from it. There's a converter in between the two liquid propane tanks. Makes it so if one of them goes dry during the night when you're running your heat, it actually switches over to the one that still has liquid in it, and so you don't have to actually switch those out by yourself at the end of the night. Let's just actually walk inside right after we have a peek in this really big and wide pass-through storage right off the front. Fit a lot of stuff in here, bin after bin, and it really gets its use in there too. And one of the things that Catalina has done with this 2019 from the 2018 conversion is they put these solid steps in. Really nice, no bounce to them, and the feet on them, they actually extend out, or it can be actually changed to any different length too. So really nice step there. First off, it is a rear kitchen unit, a ton of counter space. This is definitely an entertainer's coach, and there's a lot of space here that doesn't actually step on anybody's toes while you're using it. A lot of counter space. You can put your coffee pots, your Instapots, prep food, present food right up here, and so it actually makes it really easy to prepare. And when you're in the kitchen here as well, you're not actually kind of in the way of anyone else. A lot of the times there's you have to look across someone to see the television, but the television is positioned in such a place that anyone who is dining, preparing food, using the kitchen, or even lounging, none of those spaces are actually conflicting with each other, which is really, really nice. And one of the things too, you might notice there's a ton of windows. It's a rear kitchen unit, so behind on the back wall, you're actually using that for your refrigerator and your stove and your microwave. And this space, and plus tons of pantry space on this. These are incredibly deep storage here as well. That space means there's no windows on the back wall, but you really make up with it with this huge panorama. Large windows on the super slide here, large window there, large there. You also have really nice storage up top too. And they actually make the depth of these enough to accommodate plates and bowls and stuff. Literally anything that can fit in your microwave can fit in that storage right up top there too. You have a trifold hideaway couch, so you have additional sleeping there, and your huge window right off the entry, and then two loungers there. And that's all kind of working in service, so you can actually use this space to watch television and relax. Excuse me. You have your Furrion fireplace as well. It really does a lot of work when you're actually plugged in. You don't have to use your liquid propane. Very little energy. You can warm these places up quite a bit as well. So we're going to head back this way. We're going to go into the pass-through bathroom here. A really nice vanity here and medicine cabinet. A solid-sided booth for the shower, which I think is always really nice. You can brace yourself against the walls, so you don't have to do so much shower yoga. And there's still actually storage in here as well for any linens or anything you might need that won't fit in the bedroom. And there's a Jack and Jill, so you can actually pass straight through into the bedroom as well. So you have your queen size bed. I always like it when the closets don't actually go all the way down. It leaves you some space on the side for anything you want to have beside you. Any CPAP machines, any books, any cell phones, or anything you need at hand. There's plug-ins as well as a ton of closet space and storage here too. Storage underneath the bed as well, and it really makes this entire coach really roomy. And accommodate a lot of different people and have a lot of different uses to it. So it's really versatile. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach, stop on by Junction City and say hello.